So you might be in a situation where your car, your Tesla, is not being unlocked via from your phone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing and the main reason why this may end up happening is because you probably don't have the Tesla app installed on your device. So what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store, Google Play Store, whatever you have, and you want to go and just search up the Tesla app and you want to make sure it's installed. And if you have it installed, you want to make sure it's updated. So if your application is already out of date, you're going to want to go ahead and install and update this application. And that right there can probably end up fixing the problem for almost every single person out there. So that's number one. The other thing is that you're also going to want to make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your device. If you have Bluetooth disabled on your Android or iPhone, whatever device you have, it's not going to be able to unlock and discover your device. So what you're going to want to do is under your Bluetooth settings, you want to go ahead and make sure your Bluetooth options are on. Like I said, if they are off, that is going to be the number one reason why you're going to be running into this problem. You can also just make your way over to your Bluetooth settings here inside of your iPhone or Android, click on it, and once again, that will probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, that may just mean that you may have to actually just pull out your specific iPhone or Android, and you're going to have to just open the app. Sometimes randomly, your specific device will just not connect properly to your Tesla, and then you'll just have to unlock it via just going into the app itself. So what you can do is you want to find the application and you want to go and open it up. Now, when you do that, you're going to see your car. It's going to look something like this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either one of two things: pull this specific application out, and by then your phone will probably unlock your car. If that doesn't work, you can click on this unlock button that's right here, and then you'll also be able to just unlock your car that way too. So those are a few different ways that you can do it. Hopefully this ends up working for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.